Welcome back to 2230, your source for in-depth analysis of news and politics in the Asian region. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been making headlines and raising important questions about Singapore's approach to governance, the recent reversal of the correction direction under the Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act and its implications for the rule of law. In this episode, we'll explore the key concepts of the rule of law and rule by law to understand the context of these events. The rule of law represents a society where no one, regardless of their status or power, is above the law. It's about fairness, transparency, and the protection of human rights. On the other hand, rule by law describes a situation where those in power manipulate laws to sustain or increase their control. Now, let's apply these concepts to the recent incident involving the East Asia Forum, EAF, and Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act. The EAF article in question was alleged to contain false statements, leading to a correction direction that demanded correction notices and, when not complied with, an access blocking order. What's intriguing is that instead of pursuing legal penalties outlined in Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act, it seemed that the Singaporean authorities were satisfied once the article was withdrawn and the author issued a public apology. But this approach raises a host of concerns. First, is Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act being used as an instrument of control to steer public discourse? While it's essential in combating misinformation, the way this incident unfolded might remind us of tactics used in countries with stricter media oversight. What are your thoughts on this? Second, why was EAF exempted from penalties despite clear non-compliance, when a domestic publication might have faced more severe consequences? This raises questions about selective enforcement and possible bias. Share your opinions below. Third, the selective use of Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act against certain foreign publications and the absence of clear standards for its application breed uncertainty. How can this be improved to ensure fairness and transparency? Lastly, there's a concern that these legal maneuvers could muzzle local discourse. Do you believe that local organizations would receive the same leniency if they committed similar infractions? In conclusion, the use of Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act and its implications for the rule of law in Singapore are topics that deserve careful consideration. While it's crucial to combat misinformation, it's equally important to ensure that laws and their enforcement uphold justice and serve the interests of all citizens. Before we wrap up, please do like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to 2230 for more engaging discussions on Asian news and politics. And remember to comment with your thoughts on today's topic. Your opinions matter. Thank you for joining us on 2230, and we'll see you in the next episode.